Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through Scout's all-new 2020 235 Dorado. Here in the cockpit, we've got a really nice seating area. We have fold-out bench seats at the stern and here to port with an adjustable backrest on this aft-facing seat. This gives you a really nice social area. Also gives you a little bit of a lounger when you're facing aft. If you want to do any fishing on the boat, all these seats stow up really nicely, and now you've got a nice padded bolster when you're fishing off the back end. Live well is standard here on the port side. Along the transom, we've got 4 rod holders and a cup holder, pop-up cleats. Full walk across along the transom, so this boat is really easy to get from one side to the other, especially if you have odd docking situations. Cockpit door here on the starboard side that locks in, and a telescoping ladder that recesses into the swim platform here on the starboard side. This boat is powered with a 250 Dorado from Mercury. That's a V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated motor. Does feature Mercury's new top cowling service door, so you can check and change your oil. Engage this lever here, and you can totally remove this cowling with just one arm. There's a freshwater connection here at the transom as we walk in. We've got undergunnel rod storage right here on the starboard side. Here on this lounge seat, we do have a cooler box that's drained, or it could just be general storage. 2 cup holders there. This backrest is reversible, and I've got a little picnic table right here. So this is a nice area to have some cocktails or some lunch when you want it out of the way. Just folds flush to the port side wall right there. Got speakers, great sound system, JL audio speakers in this boat. We've got a freshwater sink, cutting board, little recessed area with non-skid material to keep your devices from sliding around, and you do have 2 USB ports right here. Slide out Yeti cooler, locks into place. Stainless steel frame on the hardtop, fiberglass top with LED spreader lights and an overhead light. Really sleek, sexy looking top. Here at the helm, we have twin captain chairs for the driver and the observer. They do slide fore and aft. They rotate, and they have a flip-up bolster. We've got a this is a 9-inch Garmin 942 XS that comes standard. We've got a lockable glove box with storage. We've got a 4-inch Mercury vessel view display, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, trim tabs with LED indicators, and then of course we have the digital throttle and shift with the Mercury Dorado. The head on this boat, get the prop out of the way. This is a porcelain head, self-contained head with its own holding tank. And we do have a freshwater sink inside. We've also got a nice block-off door. You'll notice this is a fully fiberglass windshield. This is all done by hand at Scout. So not your traditional stainless capped windshield. Give this boat a really nice sharp look. But totally block this area off, keep it out of the wind and the elements on cooler days. And then we've also got storage inside the starboard console there. That's also the back side where you can get to your GPS and all of your other electronics like that. And moving further into the bow, this is a really deep bow on the 235. You got adjustable armrests right here. Speakers facing forward, but this is a very deep, safe, secure feeling boat. We've got cup holders back here. We have 2 cup holder rod holder combo receivers here, so this boat can receive a bow sunshade kit, and of course our anchor locker is stored up here as well. A windlass is also an option on this boat. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive. Give us a call, 843-747-1889, if you have any questions about Scouts 235 Dorado or any of our other boats. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.